Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. My name is Basant, and in the series of expression building, today we are going to learn how we can derive the expression for the time balance property using the derived properties. So let's start. So first we will go to our application, and for our use case, I made two applications. One is my custom application, and one is my target application, that is the planning application. So this one is the source application, that is the custom application, and this one is the target application of the planning instance. So in my current case, what I'm going to do is that suppose we have a time balance property, like in planning we have that, and in FCCS also. So suppose in time balance property I want that if my node property of account type equals the string value as asset, or in my node property of account type equals as liability, string value is liability, or the node type property, let's say account type equals string values equity. So I want to return the value as balance for the time balance property. Okay, and else, like other than the asset, liability and equity, I want if the account property does not equal to asset, liability, equity, it will throw the value, the return value as flow. Okay, so this is the case, and this is the expression. With this we are going to make one expression. Okay, this is just this is the raw explanation for the expression. Okay, so for this let's go to the properties first, and under properties, okay, let's search it. So we are going to define the property, the derived property for the planning instance. Okay, so let's open it, and here's my application, the target application. Okay, after expanding this, click on edit. Okay, one second, click on account and then edit, and in the default parameters you can see we have the data type, default type as none, so make it derived, and on the default value we have to define the expression. So let's open it. So under this we want that we are going to use the if statement. So let me first remove this. Okay, so I will begin with if, and select the operator as or. Okay, and again I will select or. Okay, so first I will give the node, and under node I want that the property of account type, that's plan account type, if equals asset or node. Again I will give the properties, and plan account type equals liability, and if we can just copy it. Okay, copy and paste, and here I will give equity. Okay, then I want to return the value as balance. Okay, so what is going in this, that if my account type property equals asset, liability or equity, then the time balance property will return as balance. Then we will use the else statement, else it will return the value as flow. Okay, so this is the full expression you want to give in this. Let's click on apply and save it. Okay, let's go to views, and in my current case I already made one master view, so I will show you that. So in this master view, we have one custom application that I already told you, and it have chart of accounts. As you can see, balance sheet. Under balance sheet, we have total asset and total liabilities and equity. Okay, and we have one planning application. For that, we have account dimension. Okay, and I already opened the side by side view of it. You can see here. Okay, and let's test our expression. So for like we have cash and cash equivalents, and let's just drag one of its child to the target application, that is planning application. Okay, so let's take cash 02 and give the account type as asset, and it should give the time balance property as balance to us. Okay, so it is done. Let's take this account and drag and drop to this hierarchy. Okay, so we got cash 02 in this, and let's see what account type we got and what time balance property we got. So yes, as you can see, the account type property was asset in this case for the cash and cash equivalents, and we got account type as asset. And the main important thing is that the time balance property is balance. Okay, and let's test it for like some other account. Let's take this net income to account, which have account type property as revenue, and it should not give us the time balance as balance. It should give us as flow, because we have given the else condition as flow. If the account type does not match as asset, liability, equity, it should give the value as written value as flow. So let's just take this account, and we have one retain earnings in this type of application, and just take this account and drag and drop to the retain earnings, and let's see what time balance property we will get. So I just drop this account in this, and here it is, net income 2. It have the account type as revenue, and as you can see, we got a time balance as flow. So this was the complete case how you can like give the derive expression for the time balance property, and for many other properties you can like simply do the same and build the expression according to your need. So that was the case. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any query, please visit our website, that is bspsolutions.com. Thank you.